Hello friends, what's up? Welcome to Computer Repair. I come back with another tech video. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows or computer not responding. Sometimes we face computer hang or freezing problem or our Windows cannot responding. As a result, it's hamper our work and kills our valuable time. In this video, I am going to show you a easy method to solve this problem without closing any application. Let's see how to do that. At first, right click on your mouse on taskbar and open Start Task Manager. Then go to Process option. Then find Explorer.exe and right click on this and click End Process. If you ask to continue, do that. Then go to Application. Then click on New Task. Here type Explorer.exe and press OK. And it refresh your PC without closing any application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Selim Khan. You are watching Computer Repair. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and appreciate it, just so the YouTube algorithm knows that you actually like this video. And if you have any question, please post them in comment section below. Thank you.